Halo Makanku lovers. Let's unboxing the Makanku Signature Series. First, remove the plastic cover. Then, open the package. Open the box and take out all the thing inside. You will find chili sauce, crunchy flakes, heating pad, and spoon. Next step, use the spoon edge to open rice plastic cover. Do the same thing to the dish. After that, pour some water into the box up to given limit. Tear the heating pad cover. Then, put the heating pad into the water. Put the rice and dish on top of the box. Proceed to close the meal box tightly. Put the chili sauce and crunchy flakes on top of the box cover. Don't cover up the air circulation pit. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the box cover. Tear the crunchy flakes package and put on the rice. Tear the chili sauce package and put it on too. Here you go, the meal ready to serve.